Network Entertainment.
Let me tell you the truth, and sometimes the truth really hurts. Many people, sobrang sipag, pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin umaasenso. Maaga gumigising, late na matulog, overtime, sideline, pagod na pagod, pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin nangyayari. The question that you need to ask yourself right now, are you exchanging only time for money or are you exchanging value for money? Let's talk about this.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive Podcast. If you are not yet a subscriber of this podcast, please do so. You're going to get free coaching session every time when you listen to this channel. You know what? Marami ako nakakausap na ang istorya ay ganito. Coach, sobra naman akong sipag pero wala pa rin nangyari. Halos wala nang pahinga. Jingle lang ang pahinga ko. I'm doing everything pero nothing's happening. Probably the question that I would like to ask you is this. What value are you creating? What skill did you learn lately? And what problem are you solving? And you know what? Oftentimes, parati pag tinatanong ko yung question na yan, medyo tahimik. Hindi dahil sa ayaw nila talaga mag-improve, dahil wala naman nagturo sa kanila. Kasi ang tinuro ng karamihan sa atin is this, uy, magtrabaho ka mabuti, sipag at tiyaga, di ba? Pero they did not teach us to offer value. Ang habol kasi, uy, magkano na sweldo mo? Tumaas ba yung sweldo mo? Alam mo, ang sweldo mo ay tataas kung nagbibigay ka ng value. This is what's happening in the real world. People are not going to pay you based on your effort, but people are going to pay you based on the value and result that you offer. Would you agree? May kakilala ba kayong taong mga busy? Pero pag tinanong mo, kamusta ka? Busy ako eh. May kita ba? Wala. Walang value. Di ba? Pero may kakilala ka naman kayo na hindi naman masyadong busy, pero sobrang successful. Bakit? Productive eh. May result eh. May value. Kaya kung tatanungin kayo, if you're given an opportunity, gusto mo bang maging busy pero walang resulta? Or gusto mong pa-chill-chill lang pero may resulta ka? Ito lang let me balance this off. I'm not saying hard work is not important. But hard work without building value will keep you stuck. And let me admit, there was a moment in my life, a season in my life, sobra talaga. I turned day into night, night into day, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. And then, yun nga, somebody told me na talagang, alam mo, Chinky, kasi ang problema mo, you've been chasing the wrong things. You've been chasing money. Kaya lahat ng opportunity pinapasok mo. You become a jack of all trades, master of none. You know what? Kung gusto mo talaga tumaas ang income mo, you need to build value, you need to build skills, you need to build systems, and you need to learn. It's not enough for you to work hard. Kailangan maging valuable ka. When I heard that coaching session or mentoring session from my master, and sino ba yung master ko? No other than Mr. Francis Kong. Grabe. Alam mo, nagbago talaga. Oo, nagbago talaga yung aking income from 25,000 naging 50, naging 6 digits, naging 7 digits. And there are times I made 8 digits. Grabe talaga. Kaya nga, sobra akong thankful and grateful for that. That's the reason why I've realized there are 3 types of income earners. Number 1, time traders. Exchange time for money. Binabayaran ka per oras. Pagod ka, kikita ka, pero yun nga, walang pahinga. Pangalawa are the skill builders. Babayaran ka based on the skill, no? Pas gumagaling ang skills mo, tumataas ng income mo. But the third one, the most important one, which I want to really focus in value creators. Bayad ka dahil sa system. Bayad ka dahil nakatulong ka. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung pinaka-best na one of the makikita natin yung system na talagang maganda, na talagang it will earn for the rest of your life is the franchising system. Mag-create ka ng value, 'di ba? Sa tao, pagkatapos nyon, nag-create ka ng business, people franchise your business, they earn and you will earn. Kaya kung gusto mo tumaas ang kita mo, kailangan mo, alam mo, iangat mo ang iyong value. 'Di ba? Hindi lang sipag at tiyaga. Kaya kapatid, kung patuloy ka lang umaasa sa sipag at tiyaga, may limit ang kita. If you exchange time for money, nako, pag wala ng time, wala ng money. You stop working, you stop earning. Pero kapag nagbibuild ka ng value, no, sky is the limit. You are not limited by your income, you are not limited by your time, but your income can be limitless. So guys, after this episode, ask yourself, what skill are you learning right now? Anong bagong skill? Anong kailangan mong matutunan para tumaas ang value mo? Just choose one. One skill that you can build this year. And promise, hindi ka lang kikita, mag-upgrade ka, and then in the next few years, you will earn multiple income. Maybe you're asking, Chinky, anong pinakamagandang skill na pwede kong matutunan? Nowadays, one of the skill that I encourage people to learn, it's all about e-commerce, number 1. Number 2, AI. And number 3, digital marketing. Ito yung mga skills na kailangan i-upgrade mo. If you want to learn more, if you want to know more, if you have any other questions, please feel free to go to my Facebook account with the 6 million followers. Hanapin nyo na lang yung blue check with 6 million kasi marami po akong posters. So if you want to ask me any questions, please feel free to go there and ask questions and I'll be happy to answer. I hope that this episode have enlightened you. It's time for you to shine. It's time for you to become successful and it's time for you to make more money. So remember, as I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.